how to use or how to access Google Slides. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can access the Google Slides. So in order to start, the first thing that you can do is open any web browser, or more specifically you can also open the Google Chrome. Now if you have opened the Google Chrome, you can simply go to your home page and from there click onto this Google Apps icon just over the left hand side of your profile picture icon, and once you click on Google Apps you will see all of the Google Apps listed right here. So from here simply scroll down and you will see this slides option. So simply click onto slides and it will open the Google Slides. Now if you have opened any other web browser, you can simply go to the search bar and type in Google Slides. Now once you have searched for Google Slides, hit the enter button and you will see this first hyperlink that says Google Slides sign in. Click here, and if you have already signed in your browser using your Google account, it will automatically sign in and you can use the Google Slides as per your pleasing. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.